Now, what's the vision for Powereef in the sector of midstream, which is basically the most important part, the offshore green power generation production operation? Well, the first thing to look at is the challenge today that could the offshore green power stay productive with no downtime? Well, from our understanding today, a lot of them out there are struggling between 30 and 40% of downtime. So, two problems with that are derived from that. The first one being the operational revenue loss for the operators of such offshore wind power generation facilities. And the other problem can be even a bigger problem, which is basically the onshore power grid operators cannot really take you seriously enough if you're going basically between the on mode and the off mode all the time. And it is rather difficult for them to do the planning of the distribution of the power, supposedly taking in from your end. So this is what Powereef primarily targeted as the main task, basically to shoot for the objective of no downtime at all, 0%. How is that possible? Yes, it is. It's really about engineering solution, and all the technologies are already out there. It's just part of the wisdom and the strategy, what to choose and how to put them together and make them work. And that's where I guess the centerpiece of a lot of patents that Powereef is going to offer licenses for, I guess, to benefit the world if no other solutions out there. And last time we checked, there is not. So, yes, the first thing first is no downtime. And that's the midstream part of the service scope that we would offer our clients, primarily targeted the today's major owner operator in the oil chemical or oil gas and chemical industry, who are diversifying their portfolios in the oil fields. And so all that capital, what are they gonna do to sustain the revenue streams? Obviously, they would be looking at the new revenue generating avenues, and that's where Powereef is targeting. So on top of that, the other thing is equally important, which is basically, is there a smart control of the offshore green power generation business? And so what we would offer is basically the smart capability to basically be able to plan the production and operation throughout the entire process so that our customers will benefit from it. Now, I probably mentioned here and there before, the supply chain management for the upstream sector for the entire oil, gas, and chemical industry today is, I guess, trying to migrate into the digital domain. And so the digital transformation is supposed to take place. So if they are trying to do that in their traditional revenue generating realm, I guess it's logical to presume, or fair to presume, that when they move into the next revenue generating avenue, they would certainly be looking at if it is digital and smart, so that they could skip the whole step by themselves. Now that's where Powereef is very confident to be able to set the trend, and to bring it to the next level. So instead of having the dumb part of the traditional offshore power solution as we see or as we know today, we will show if, what, and how much can be done to completely level it and bring it to the, I guess, where it should be, up with the times today at all the other industries. Now that would be a contribution definitely Powereef will be making. For downstream, please continue to watch. Thank you.